Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you're using Google Chrome in your Windows or in your PC and you're facing pop-up ads again and again, so let's see how can you completely disable that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here you have to open any random website. So I'm gonna open, let's say, Yahoo Mail here. Now here you might see at this type setting icon here. You just have to click on it, and here you'll see the option of block pop-ups. If you are unable to find that option here, just click on this site settings. It will open in your settings. You just have to scroll down and you might see the option of pop-up and redirects. Just click on the right side of this option and then select block from here. Now once you have selected block, you have to reopen the website and then click on reload to apply the changes. Once you have done, it will completely block pop-up ads from your website. So in this way, you can easily block pop-up ads for any random website. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.